friend, this is Aladita and this is time for your favorite show, One Man Show. तो जनाब आज का शो होने वाला है बहुत ही स्पेशल क्योंकि जो बंदा आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है वो ना सिर्फ भारत का एक मशहूर और मारूफ मॉडल में नाम है बल्कि वो बॉलीवुड में भी अपने कदम जमा चुके हैं। वो है बहुत बड़े अदाकार, बहुत ही अमेजिंग सोशल वर्कर और वो बहुत सारे ब्यूटी पेजेंट भी जीत चुके हैं। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ मिस्टर ग्लैम शुरेशिया इंटरनेशनल, मिस्टर इंडिया और मिस्टर एक्स फैक्टर समेत और बहुत सारे एजाज़ात। तो आइए बात करते हैं मिस्टर रोहित शिंदे से जो हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं इंडिया से। हे मिस्टर रोहित, हाउ आर यू? थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग विद अस।
Hey, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you so much for being with One Man Show.
And namaste to all the audience of Zero Filter Man audience.
Thank you. So first of all, let us know you have won a lot of beauty pageants. So how does it feel like?
See, first of all, it was big surprise for me because when I started that, I was not aware that I'll be reaching to that level. It was a journey of just 5 months. 5 months, 5 level. From city to international. It was just a simple dream. When I was roaming around, I was watching many people doing something which they like. Actually, my main profession is that I'm into finance, but along with that, my passion is modeling and acting. So one day I decided to, go for that. And I just tried with one city level show. And surprisingly, I won one title over there. Then I went to state level, then I went to national level. From Mumbai to Pune, Pune to Delhi, and then Delhi to Bangalore, and straight away from Bangalore I went to Philippines for the international pageant called Mr. Glam International. So that was really surprising journey for me because I have never ever imagined that I'll be doing all these levels, I'll be crossing all these levels within span of just 5 months.
So what is your easy part, acting or producing something?
See, likewise how we say we can't compare two eyes together. Both are equally important. So acting and modeling is my passion. So I can't compare whether acting is good or modeling is better because both the choices are mine. But still, when it comes to acting, it gives me liveliness. Whereas in modeling, we present ourselves, but in acting, we live ourselves. We, like to get a chance. We get a chance to live various characters. So for me, in future, acting will be the more focused aspect of my life now.
Okay, so tell us something about Mr. Glam Show International.
Okay, Mr. Glam International. This is the organization which is based in Philippines. The company of the brand is Primo Model. Mr. Direk is the CEO of that company, and there are various individuals which are joined to that. Miss Mia Gusi also of that, and they keep on conducting every year 4 pageants: Mr. Teen Glam International, then Miss Glam Look and Mrs. Glam Look, and 4th one which is for men, which is for boys, it is Mr. Glam International. And I was very fortunate to be a part of that. It was inaugural, and basically we have our national director here in Pune, who is an Indian. He keeps on sending models to such kind of pageants across globe. Till now, he has spent more than 40 models to such kind of international pageants, and he has won many titles. So for me, I'm really fortunate. I'm really lucky that I could be part of this Mr. Glam International, and I could get that title of Mr. Glam Eurasia International 29.
Okay, so another interesting question: is it compulsory to have six-pack abs to become a model or to win a beauty pageant?
See, very good question, which you asked me. I'm really thankful for this question because when I started this journey from that day to day of winning Mr. Glam International, even now also, I keep on getting many inquiries by many people. Sir, kya karna padta hai? So what we can do for this? First of all, they ask whether we should have six-pack abs, whether we should have good body. Yes, of course. When it comes to modeling, we should have good body, good physique. But better than that and more than that, we should have talent also. because when people talk about modeling, it is not just about posing in front of camera. It is having a talent also, because you represent the youth. You represent the group of people. So you should have talent also along with the body. Yes, if you have six-pack ab, it will be an added advantages to you. And when it comes to personality, who is a model and representing the youth, you should have perfect combination of everything. When you have perfect body, you are in a better position to represent yourself. So I will not say that
Okay.
compulsory you should have six-pack ab, but definitely if you have that, it is an additional point to you to win the contest. But
Okay.
talent, there is no compromise. There is no other option than the talent. You should have talent, how to win that and how to represent yourself.
So, Mr. Rohit, आप एक social worker हैं. So, on which causes you are working right now?
देखो ऐसे तो नहीं है. It's not like that I have started social work now, but since my childhood I am very much keen to support the people who are around me. And my motto in life, whatever I do, a good work basically, I don't want to do it alone. I want to take people with me ahead. If I'm doing something in my life, if I'm achieving something, I want my people to be with me. So that was the motto of my life, and for that I keep on doing many good things. To be precise, and I should be spoken about that. Last year on my birthday, I donated my eyes.
Okay.
Yes, and the cause of that I want people to understand, I people to look at me. If I can donate my eyes, in order to help other people, even they will start. Along with that, I keep on doing tree plantation. I keep on doing blood donation. Very soon, I am going to donate my plasma also, which is very much necessary in the society now because of the COVID pandemic.
Yeah.
So these are the things which I keep
Right.
on doing because I believe that we are a part of society, and at least some part of time, it is our responsibility to give back to the society which they have given. The fame and the publicity which I have got, it is from society, and it is my responsibility to give it back to the society. So these are the forms, these are the way out from which we can, help the society. So tree plantation, environment, and blood donation. These are the things which I keep on doing. Very soon, I'm thinking to donate the other part of the body also.
What we do here is gold.
That's really amazing. This is really appreciated by all of us. So let us know about your upcoming projects. What are your future plans?
Since I have won this Mr. Glamulation International 2019, so till 1 year I won't be contesting any other competition in other countries. But till the time, I have my another dream which I will be starting soon of acting. I'll be doing some work in South India now. After that, I'm having some big plans like main lead movies. There are 2-3 movies which I have as a pipeline which I'll be starting. But down the line, I'm seeing myself that I should have that identity in the society that I am being known as a well-known actor, or he's a good actor. This is what I want to create as my identity. So all those pipeline I'm having. There are many short films. There are many movies, web series which are there in the pipeline which I'll be doing now. And one more thing which I will be particularly like to tell you, that I want to try with all the different cultures. So I'll be starting with South Indian language, I'll be starting with Hindi languages, and even I'm keen to do some project in English language also. This is what the variety and this is what the plan I've kept in my mind now.
That's amazing. Best of luck for your upcoming project. So, अब ये है टाइम अपने नेक्स्ट गेम का जिसका नाम है वन ऑनेस्ट लाइन. सो आपके सामने कुछ अल्फाज होंगे और आप उनको एक लाइन में एक्सप्लेन करते जाना है.
Yes.
सबसे पहले है ब्यूटी.
Beauty which should be from inner side first of all, and then second part comes which is from outer side.
बॉलीवुड.
Salman Khan.
ओके. इंडियन मीडिया.
Sorry?
इंडियन मीडिया.
Fourth pillar of democracy.
हॉलीवुड.
My dream?
Netflix.
Sorry?
Netflix.
Easiest way to watch variety of creations like movies and web series.
Johnny Sins.
Not my favorite.
Okay. Kangana Ranaut.
She's very good in acting.
Okay. Modi.
A good leader.
China.
Again a neighbor. From which we
Okay,
keep on
Sunny.
getting many kind of goods. Sorry?
Sunny Leone.
Sunny Leone. A cute girl.
Tinder.
Sorry?
Tinder.
I don't use.
Okay. Imran Khan.
Imran
Come
Khan.
again.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan. I believe Prime Minister of Pakistan.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, he is.
Thank
Okay.
you so much, Rohit. This was really nice talking to you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much for giving me this an opportunity. I wish you good luck for the future.
थैंक यू सो मच। उम्मीद है नाज़रीन को आज की एपिसोड अच्छी लगी। अगर आपका भी एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा होगा पाकिस्तान का पहला इंटरव्यू